stable pattern, right?
Between days and nights.
You did yourself, right? So did they make you to do that?
Yeah.
Really? Why?
They said they needed someone to do nights.
Okay. Why don't you refuse their request?
Had to choose. Because I want to request
Oh yeah. Shamim, he's coming. He's went for taking print off. Give me a text in your name. Alright, cheers. See you later. Bye. ആരാ അയ്യോ അവനൊന്നും ചോദിച്ചാൽ ഞാൻ അവനോട് സംസാരിച്ച കാരണേ അവനോട് ജീപ്പില് കാണിക്കേണ്ട സമയം കഴിഞ്ഞു ജീപ്പിക്ക് അപ്പോയിന്റ്മെന്റ് കൊടുക്കണമെന്നാണ് ഇവിടെ അപ്പോയിന്റ്മെന്റ് കിട്ടൂല ഭയങ്കര ഇവിടെ ഇല്ലല്ലേ ഞാൻ ജേഴ്സി ചെയ്തോളാം
പണ്ട് ഞാൻ പുറകെ വന്നായിരുന്നു എനിക്കെന്നാ ജീപ്പി എന്നൊക്കെ എന്താ എനിക്ക് ആശയായിരുന്നു
ഏത്തപ്പഴായിരിക്കും ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കാട്ട് അവിടുന്നുണ്ട് അവളെന്താ കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട് അവ കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട് അവളെന്തോ കൊളംബിയൻ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ നിന്ന് അത് മറ്റേത് ഇത് കാലിക്കോട്ടിലുള്ള ഫ്ലോറൻസ് കാലിക്കോട്ടിലെ ഫ്ലോറൻസ് എനിക്ക് പറയുന്നില്ല അവനൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ അത് തന്നെ വിളിച്ചാന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു Why are you taking tonight then? Because this is not our pattern, right?
My patterns are all over.
Okay.
They are mixing me up. Like,
why?
Because they have shortage of the other team.
Okay.
So we have to cover. It's all of us. It's not just. It's for all of us.
Okay. And we are getting that message to de-employed, you know, like to somewhere else, Netherwood, a couple of months. Oh yeah, you didn't see that? Email.
Are you considering to go?
Me?
Yes.
No. Why should I?
I thought it's for those who live near to.
Yeah, but if they didn't get anyone, they will just pick it from here because I know that couple of people already moved from here to there. Because they're requesting from Ragal and Shalima.
They have shortage.
I think so. And that's another problem. We do have overstaff here. Yeah, we don't need that. But most of the staff actually comes under the contract for 39.4. So we have to meet the contract requirement to pay. So the company is not putting shift on us. They have to pay us. That's the contract. Doesn't matter if you worked or not.
They will have to pay.
The company have to pay.
So instead of they better utilize you.
Yeah. That's the thing they are doing now. They're using maximum utilization of us. Have you been to this resort, Celtic Manor?
Yes, Celtic Manor.
Celtic Manor, this one. How is it?
It was nice, but very expensive.
You been to stay or?
It was Christmas party.
Oh, okay, last year, right?
That was here, right?
Okay, yeah. Have you been to anything else? Have you been to anything else? Any spa, any golf?
Any spa?
Here in Celtic
Not
Manor?
yet.
No. Have you been to any spa? Not back in home here
Yeah.
in
Here,
UK.
no.
No? Okay.
You're planning to go for a spa?
Not for me. I just want to offer for my.
For your wife?
Yeah.
I think Celtic Manor, they said it's nice.
Yeah. They do have spas here. I don't know what they're doing on female spas, so I'm just unaware what.
Maybe,
Somebody else, yeah?
sauna.
Sauna, who's that?
Sauna.
Yeah, sauna, yeah. They do a sauna, massage, facials, stuff like that. And some they will provide food as well. Lunch, so what time you go, they will provide food.
Swimming in the water.
Yeah.
And I had their swimming pool. It's very, very good.
I used to have a membership with the whole day in.
Which one?
It's here.
Whole day in.
Oh.
And Hilton. No, it was Hilton actually,
We
not
have
whole
Hilton
day.
in Cardiff.
No. I stopped that actually. When I moved to Wales, I stopped.
You stopped.
Yeah.
You don't have it here.
I don't know. I haven't looked
It will be
before
there
that
in
actually.
Cardiff, right?
Hilton. I think so.
Will be there
They must
because
have, yeah,
Cardiff
because
is
it's
a
a Cardiff
capital.
capital, big
So,
city, right?
Anyway, it will be there.
Yeah. Because we used to go back in Bournemouth where I lived before. So they have like membership programs.
So how much
Swimming.
will you pay a month?
30.
30 pounds.
Yeah. And we have gym,
For 2 people, it's fine.
30 pound.
You can share things.
Oh yeah, you can share, yeah. Just so I can bring people actually for a couple of 4 times in a month. There is, gym comes with gym, spa, sauna,
Everything is free.
yeah, and swimming, everything is there. And if you have membership, you'll get discount for meals as well, and drinks, meals and drinks, especially the breakfast and dinner.
Is that when you go, you're having a flight.
Flight?
If you're flying abroad and maybe at the airport you need to eat something.
No, the thing is that's a different thing. But you mean the airport lounge facility?
Yeah.
No, the airport lounge is different from that I'm having now. But something actually, if you have like credit card, I'm using Amex credit card, which is American Express credit card. So I'm using the basic one.
Yeah.
But if you got like upgradation one, so you are able to access to the lounge, airport lounge
For free.
for free. Yeah, it just maybe like £1 you need to pay. That's it, and you can access everything in that particular lounge. Yeah.
You see, it's just applying for the credit card.
Mostly, in general, it comes with credit card. But if you have like premium debit card, it's also valid. Because most of the credit card, not most of the, like premium credit cards provide that. Because you should have that transaction through that account.
I think that
It's nice, and if you have like premium credit cards, we can also access to the luxurious hotels for this kind of features like spa, dinner, and the credit card company provide us discounts or like sales stuff for this kind of dinner, film, travel, holidays. You can try. Do you have credit cards?
the one I have is not very nice. Have you seen Monzo?
Mons, okay.
I don't think that one has a lot of benefits. I don't
Okay.
think it has any benefits.
Alright. If you travel a lot, it's nice to
Nice
have
to
a
have a
break.
credit
Yeah, yeah.
So how
Because-
much credit will they give you? Like,
It depends on your income. That in general.
okay, they will
So
ask your income.
when I took my credit card initially here in the UK, it comes with £1,000.
Oh, that's nice because Monzo gives me 500.
Oh, okay. Then it was when I took last year, it was like 2,500. But I'm not using actually. I use the 1,000 limit Amex. That's the American Express. Because some particular companies have like a lot of features compared to other.
Yeah. I'm going to try that.
Yeah. And if you have points, like we can consider to take flight ticket.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because if you have like it's called AVS point. So if you have enough AVS point, you can claim that, and you can convert. Yeah, to convert to get a flight ticket.
So that points will be accumulated when
Yeah,
we
yeah,
purchase
convert.
something.
Yeah.
Or when we use that points will be
Yeah,
added.
yeah.
Oh.
And if you travel, that might consider accumulate into your account. Then you can redeem that. Yeah.
Okay, see you later, people.
See you later.
Have a nice rest.
Bye.
എടി മറ്റേ സമയം ഞാൻ വിളിക്കാം, വീട്ടിൽ ചെന്നിട്ട് വിളിക്കാം.
Okay. Bye.
ഇത് ബോർമത്താണ്. നീ ഇപ്പൊ കിടന്നുറങ്ങുമോ? നീ എപ്പോഴാ കിടന്നുറങ്ങണേ? ആ ഓക്കെ എന്നാ. ആ What's that?
I'm saying the weather is nice.
Oh yes. Yeah, that's true.
I
That's
wanted
true.
to go out. I was supposed to be off.
Oh yeah, that's true. That was actually I was asking her. You're actually planning to go to somewhere.
She's planning.
No, we are
Oh,
planning
okay.
to go to Bournemouth.
Bournemouth. Oh. Where are you?
I
Like,
think
what you say?
Annie's been there last month. I think
Oh.
to Bournemouth. I think I don't
Yeah,
remember.
I think so.
I think she's been because I think I saw her picture somewhere next to the beach. Where she lives now?
You see that road
Where?
on your way to
Asda.
on your way to Spiti. It's
Okay.
not very far.
Okay.
You know, when you pass Eaveswell School, then you turn right.
Okay. Alright. What is the day? It's Friday. It's Saturday, right? Let's stop here.
So how do you?
How do
So
we-
if it's a weekend or Saturday, you can park at the residence.
If I have permit, I can park in this lane. The box here.
Yeah.
I can park just next in front of my house, but I don't have permits, so then I can only park on Sundays.
Oh,
This
so Sundays you can park there.
Yeah, I can,
Okay.
because the rest of the days
They removed that thing where you can read. Or is it there?
where
There's a place they've written the place you can park.
yeah, I see it there.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, just next to you.